So now I want to start with pure substance. This was a remarkable quarter. People didn't think it could happen. People didn't think that you could ever do anything other than burn cash, that you were basically a chimney of money. Not true, correct?
Correct, Jim. We reported yesterday terrific quarterly results, April to June. The movie industry is clearly coming back. The movie theater industry is clearly coming back. 59 million people were in our theaters in the second quarter. Attendance was up 168% year over year to the same quarter. We had positive EBITDA in the second quarter. Our EBITDA was more than $250 million stronger than it was last year. We are on a path to recovery. Maybe this horrible pandemic is something that one day we can all put in the rearview mirror.
All right, well, Adam, I read this, and the first thing I said was, okay, I know why people aren't watching Netflix. They're going to AMC. There is a correlation, would you say, between people who just are sick of being at home and they want to go out and they want to see a movie and they go to AMC?
Well, I do think, the bigger picture is I think streaming and theaters can coexist peacefully. You know, back a few years ago when Avengers Endgame was the biggest movie of all time, Netflix was in business. There were people streaming and there were people in our theaters. Fast forward, post-pandemic, I do all think that trapped in our houses and apartments for a year and a half, people learned in the pandemic, they want to get off the couch, they want to get out of the house, they want to do things, they want to be with people, be with friends. Going to a theater is a cheap date. Yeah, theaters have been central to the cultural fabric of the United States for a century, and we're a resilient industry. We're on our way back.
They told me I was a cheap date at one point. All right, let's deal with this. Let's deal with the hairy ape. All right, so you've decided, somewhat chimerical, to give something special to shareholders, which includes a great deal of apes. But you know what? Other than the actual ticker, APE, Adam, to me it seemed very much like a stock split.
Jim, it's almost exactly like a stock split, except for one technical difference. In a typical 2-to-1 stock split, you get 2 new common shares for 1 old common share. In this case, you're getting a new preferred unit and a common share for an old common share. But this is an extremely important development for our company. I cannot stress one of the reasons why AMC survived the pandemic is because we raised over $2 billion of equity. We did it by selling shares, and we basically sold every share that we had. We went from 100 million shares outstanding to over 500 million shares outstanding. There were no shares left in the corporate treasury. If we needed to raise money in the future, if we wanted to raise money in the future, that was not an option that was available to AMC Entertainment. Now, with the creation of this new class of preferred securities, not that we would ever use all 5 billion of them that we could take to market, that would be crazy, but we do essentially have a lot of preferred shares that we can take to market to raise cash, to pay down debt, to use for M&A. And the result of all that is this was a great announcement for AMC. It pretty much takes near-term survival completely off the table because if we were in a pinch, we could raise money. And anything that strengthens AMC is good for our shareholders, and it's bad to the people who wish us harm.